From pitchforks to pixels, a technological harvest. Farming has long been a symbol of tradition and simplicity. Today, agriculture is undergoing a dramatic transformation. Technology is revolutionizing every aspect of farming. Fields once plowed by horses are now navigated by GPS-guided tractors. Farmers monitor their crops from the air using drones. Data analysis guides their decisions on irrigation and fertilization. This revolution is reshaping our relationship with food production. Eyes in the sky, drones take flight over fields of green. Drones, once confined to science fiction, are now indispensable tools for modern farmers. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, they provide an unprecedented view of fields. Farmers can monitor crop health, identify stress, and assess irrigation needs with precision. Drones are invaluable in pest control, targeting infestations with minimal pesticide use. Enhancing efficiency and sustainability, drones are essential tools for modern farming. Precision farming, data-driven decisions for a bountiful harvest. In the digital age, data is king, and agriculture is no exception. Precision farming, a data-driven approach to agriculture, is transforming the way farmers manage their resources and optimize yields. Sensors strategically placed throughout the field collect real-time data on soil moisture, nutrient levels, temperature, and other crucial variables. This data is then analyzed to create detailed maps that provide farmers with a comprehensive understanding of their field's unique characteristics and needs. Armed with this information, farmers can make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, tailoring their practices to the specific requirements of each square meter of land. This targeted approach not only maximizes yields but also minimizes waste, reducing the environmental impact of agriculture. Precision farming represents a paradigm shift in agriculture, from a one-size-fits-all approach to a highly customized and data-driven model. By leveraging the power of data, farmers can make smarter decisions, optimize resource use, and ensure the long-term sustainability of their operations. The rise of the machines, automation, and the future of farm labor. Automation is rapidly becoming a reality on farms around the world. Machines are increasingly taking on tasks traditionally performed by human laborers. Autonomous tractors with GPS can plow, plant, and cultivate fields with precision. Robotic harvesters can identify and pick ripe fruits and vegetables, reducing labor costs. Automation raises concerns about job displacement in rural communities. Section 5. Every drop counts. Smart irrigation for a thirsty world. Water, the lifeblood of agriculture, is becoming increasingly scarce in many parts of the world. Climate change, population growth, and competing demands for water resources are putting immense pressure on our ability to sustainably irrigate crops. Smart irrigation technologies offer a beacon of hope in the face of this challenge. Sensors placed in the soil measure moisture levels in real time, transmitting data to a central control system that adjusts irrigation schedules accordingly. This ensures that crops receive the precise amount of water they need, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Drip irrigation systems, which deliver water directly to plant roots, further reduce water consumption compared to traditional flood irrigation methods. By minimizing evaporation and runoff, drip irrigation conserves water, reduces fertilizer leaching, and improves crop yields. As water scarcity becomes an increasingly pressing global issue, smart irrigation technologies will play a crucial role in ensuring food security for a growing population, while preserving this precious resource for future generations. Section 6. Seeds of Change. GMOs and the quest for food security. Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, have been a subject of intense debate, but their potential to address global food security challenges cannot be ignored. Through biotechnology, scientists can enhance crops with desirable traits, such as resistance to pests, diseases, and herbicides. GMOs have the potential to increase crop yields, reduce reliance on pesticides and herbicides, and improve the nutritional content of food. For example, golden rice, a GMO enriched with vitamin A, has the potential to combat vitamin A deficiency, a leading cause of blindness in developing countries. However, concerns about the potential environmental and health impacts of GMOs persist. Critics argue that GMOs could lead to the development of herbicide-resistant weeds, reduce biodiversity, and have unintended consequences for human health. The debate surrounding GMOs highlights the importance of rigorous scientific research, transparent regulation, and open public dialogue. As we grapple with the challenge of feeding a growing population sustainably, it's crucial to carefully consider both the potential benefits and risks of this powerful technology. Section 7. Cultivating concrete jungles, urban farming takes root. As cities expand and populations become increasingly concentrated in urban centers, urban farming is emerging as an innovative solution to address food security and reconnect city dwellers with their food sources. Rooftop gardens, vertical farms, and community plots are transforming urban landscapes into productive agricultural spaces. Vertical farms, in particular, offer a glimpse into the future of urban food production. These high-tech, climate-controlled environments allow for year-round cultivation of crops in stacked layers, maximizing space utilization and minimizing water and land use. Urban farming not only increases access to fresh, locally grown produce, but also provides numerous environmental benefits. By reducing food miles and promoting sustainable practices, urban farms can help mitigate the carbon footprint of our food system. Moreover, urban agriculture fosters a sense of community and reconnects urban residents with the origins of their food. Community gardens provide opportunities for social interaction, education, and hands-on learning about food production. Section 8. From Farm to Fork Technology bridges the gap. Technology is not only transforming how we grow food, but also how we connect with the people who produce it. Online platforms, mobile apps, and social media are breaking down barriers between farmers and consumers, fostering greater transparency and understanding. Consumers are increasingly interested in knowing where their food comes from, how it was grown, and who grew it. Technology provides a platform for farmers to share their stories, showcase their sustainable practices, and build direct relationships with their customers. Online farmers markets and community-supported agriculture programs connect consumers directly with local farmers, allowing them to purchase fresh, seasonal produce directly from the source. Mobile apps provide consumers with information about the farms and farmers behind their food, fostering a sense of connection and trust. This increased transparency benefits both farmers and consumers. Farmers gain access to new markets and receive a fairer price for their products, while consumers enjoy fresher, higher quality food and support their local economies. Section 9. Sharing the story of agriculture in the digital age. In an era dominated by social media, farmers are using digital platforms to connect with the public, share their stories, and educate consumers about the realities of modern agriculture. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter provide farmers with a powerful voice to reach a wider audience. Through captivating photos, videos, and personal anecdotes, farmers can showcase the beauty of their farms, the hard work that goes into producing food, and the challenges they face. By sharing their stories online, farmers can help bridge the gap between urban and rural communities, fostering greater understanding and appreciation for the vital role agriculture plays in our lives. They can also use social media to dispel myths about farming, address consumer concerns, and advocate for policies that support sustainable agriculture. Social media is a valuable tool for farmers to connect with consumers, build relationships, and educate the public about the importance of supporting local and sustainable agriculture. Section 10. The next frontier: blockchain, AI, and the future of farming. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, blockchain and artificial intelligence are poised to revolutionize the agricultural industry even further. Blockchain, a decentralized and secure digital ledger, has the potential to transform food supply chains, increasing transparency and traceability. By tracking the journey of food from farm to fork, blockchain can help ensure food safety, reduce fraud, and empower consumers to make informed choices. Artificial intelligence, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns, is being used to develop precision farming techniques, optimize irrigation and fertilization, and even predict crop yields. AI-powered robots are also being developed to perform tasks such as weeding, harvesting, and sorting produce. The integration of blockchain and AI into agriculture has the potential to create a more efficient, sustainable, and equitable food system. However, it also raises important ethical and societal questions that must be carefully considered. Cultivating the future of food. Balancing tradition and innovation is key in agriculture. Technology enhances, not replaces, farmers' skills. Preserve the human element in farming. The next generation will shape agriculture's future. Embrace innovation, honor tradition, and sustain